Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco Adda Way to Economics. So it's a summer season. सभी बच्चों की समर वेकेशन चल रही होगी बट आपको रेगुलरली अपनी पढ़ाई करनी है. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe our channel. Let me tell you to the new viewers, this channel is about the subject economics. यहाँ पर आपको क्लास 9 टू क्लास 12 तक का सारा कंटेंट मिलेगा with easy notes. Don't forget to prepare your self note. वो ही आपकी लास्ट में हेल्प करेंगे. So children, in this video we start NCERT class 12th part A, Introductory Macroeconomics chapter 4, Determination of Income and Employment. इससे पहले थर्ड चैप्टर की जो सीरीज़ वीडियोज़ हैं वो चैनल पर ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर आप वो देखें. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रोडक्शन. First of all, we are going to discuss the objective of microeconomics. First, to develop the theoretical tool, and second is to make the capable of describing the processes which determine the values of the variable. किसी भी वेरिएबल की वैल्यूज़ को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स को स्टडी करते हैं. When we concentrate on the determinants of the particular variable, जब भी हम determinants की बात करें, वी मस्ट होल्ड द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ ऑल अदर वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट. तो जितने भी अदर वेरिएबल्स होंगे उनकी वैल्यू कांस्टेंट रहेगी. तो दिस इज़ अ स्टाइलेशन टिपिकल ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट एनी थ्योरेटिकल एक्सरसाइज एंड कॉल्ड द assumptions ऑफ ceteris paribus. मीन्स अदर थिंग्स रिमेन इक्वल. जितने भी और वेरिएबल्स होंगे वो कांस्टेंट रहेंगे, इक्वल रहेंगे. अब व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द डिटर्मिनेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? The next topic is who gave the theory. The theory of this chapter is given by the John Maynard Keynes. Keynes was born in the Cambridge and attended King's College in Cambridge only, where he earned his degree in mathematics in 1905. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, okay? And after leaving Cambridge, he took a position with a civil service in Britain. He returned to Cambridge in 1908 as a lecturer, then took a leave of absence to work for a British treasury. He also worked in bureaucracy. By 1919, was the treasury principal representative at a peace conference. ठीक है, सारे डिटेलिंग इनके बारे में है. Last but not the least, we discuss some relative terms. First one is national income. You already know that it is the sum of all the final goods and the services produced within a country within a year. Second term is price level. Price level refers to the buying of power. That power, the power of money or inflation. And the last term is rate of interest, which you get on the principal amount. Is that clear? I hope आपको ये topics clear होंगे. This topic is over here. If you have any query, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do share the videos with your friends and relatives. We need your support. Thank you so much.